July housing report here in San Diego. Let's get to it. 5 metrics, 5 minutes. All right, starting with median sales price. We ticked up again another 2%, ultimately from 825 up to 840. That's 11% gain from the beginning of the year. Remember, from the peak of last May down to the bottom of the market, that was a 12% drop. So we are 1% off of being back to the peak at 855. The market is continuing to turn. This is with higher interest rates. Higher interest rates up in the sixes, low sevens. We're going to get to that. All right, next metric, number 2, sales to list price ratio. Listed for $1, sells for $1. That's 100%. We went up 0.2% for May, 100.4 up to 100.6. So people, there's still competition out here. People are still looking at multiple offers, and the price is going up above the asking price. Market time, how long are homes staying on the market? We were flat, 11 days. That's your average across the county. Keep something in mind. We're looking at the data that is detached single family homes, condos, townhomes, twin homes, manufactured homes, and mobile homes. All right, so next metric, active listings. We have ticked back up. The month of June, we were at 4,100. That's up from 3,600, up from 3,000, up from 2,800 to 2,900 in March. All right. We are ticking up, but if we take a look back over the last 5 years, right, June at 4112, we know that the peak of the market tends to be in the month of July. That's right now, right? The number of homes on the market right now in this month of July, remember, this is the June data we're looking at. This is going to probably be the highest number of homes for sale this calendar year. You can see July, you can see July. We can go back to in 2020, which was kind of a weird year. June, we peaked out in May. That was coming out of the initial shutdown and all that stuff. So when it comes to new listings, yes, we are ticking back up. But where you are right now, that's probably going to be the highest number of homes on the market. When we take a look at new listings, right, we actually ticked down a touch. So we ticked down about 25, 30 new listings, right? So call it 2780 down to 2750. So about 30, 32 listings down. All right. We know that traditionally when we hit our peak in the month of June, there's a July, right? Here is 2020, again, July, right? That's the month we're currently in. Once we hit the peak, we don't come back up, right? So in terms of inventory, what this is telling you is that we probably have the most number of homes on the market right now that we're going to have for the rest of the year. All right, that's kind of scary news for those of you that are out there waiting for the perfect home. We're waiting for more inventory. Historically speaking, seasonally speaking, there is not more coming on the market. Last thing I want to take a quick look at are the interest rates. So this is from Friday, the 30-year fixed, right? 7.14. That's down 0.08%, almost a tenth down. All right. This is under the county conforming loan limit. So in San Diego, that's just under $1 million. All right. When we look at a jumbo loan, this is going to be $1 million and more. That's the loan value, not the purchase price. We're at 6.95%, right? Basically 7%. The 30-year FHA, we're at 6.85. That actually dropped down a tenth, almost 0.2 of a point. The VA loan, 6.82. That came down almost 0.2, right? These numbers are definitively higher than anybody is wanting them to be. There's no doubt about that. All right, so what does this mean to you? How do we sum this up? Purchase price is continuing to go up. There's next to nothing available to purchase. We know that in June and July, that's the peak of the market. Right? Number of new listings comes on. It's either June or July, statistically speaking. The number of total listings, June or July. If it's June, we're already on the way down. If we're saying it's July, which a lot of the data we just went through is indicating, that means right now, where you are watching this video, this is the month that will have the highest number of homes for sale. There's your market update. There's your housing report for San Diego. Hope you guys got some good value out of this, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.